think I found our spot.
Where are we?
Middle of nowhere.
Hey, this is how I grew up, dude. Kinston.
Yeah?
Yeah, like, what is it, 45 minutes down the road? So me and my dad used to go to this little teeny tiny barber shop. It was about this big, and over in the corner was one of those Coke machines where you had to pull the door open, and you had to pull the chunk chunk.
Yeah?
And it was 25 cents. And it was an assortment of sodas, and there was a large Coke and a small Coke, and they both cost the same. My dad would put the quarter in, I would get the large one, he would shut the door, he would put a quarter in, open the door, he would get the small one. I said, Dad, you're getting the small one, you get the big one. He says, I'm not going to drink it, son, and I'm not wasteful.
Got something for you, buddy.
All right.
Do you wanna be a bear?